Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So what I have seen in crypto, huge fall is coming around guys. So what I have seen is here guys, you can see here this is the one of the major trend line. Right now it is broken guys. So what we can expect is that once again it goes on testing, or here only somewhere this green candle only has been broken. It came downside up till here guys. This is the area for our first target guys. Our second target is 14,000 guys, and third target is 12,000 guys. Okay guys, after that 12,000, if you want more, then you can expect the 10,000 also guys. If you wanted to interested to invest in Bitcoin or in Ethereum, then it's the good time. When I will tell you, the thing is that guys, because of right now it is in a continuously in a downfall. I will just show you guys so you can get the correct things. So you can see here, from here only started fall. You can see that consolidate, broken and came downside. Once again consolidation happened here, broken also, but this is the false breakout happened. After that once again came consolidation, broken downside. Once again consolidation happened, broken downside. So right now also that only happening guys. You can see here consolidation happening, consolidation, broken. Right now if it will test, it will be the very nice thing for us guys. If it doesn't do that thing, then our first target will be up till here guys, second target, third and fourth target up till 10,000 guys. Hope you are getting all the analysis guys. What I'm telling you, this is the trend line. Right now it's broken, that's why huge fall is coming along guys. Hope you are getting this. Okay guys, right now we can see for Ethereum. In Ethereum you can see here two things is there. First is, this is the one of the major supporting areas. Why is that? Because here first time taken resistance, second time, this is the third time, three times it continuously taken resistance, and this is the trend line what's going on, this blue line. Okay guys, what right now it's going on is that it will came downside, take support at this point. If it doesn't take at support at this point, then you can expect your first target will be up till here, second target up till here you can get it, and our third target will be the 700, and last target will be the 5,500, 5,550 guys. Sorry, 550 will be the your last target in downside momentum. If we can see for upside momentum, it will consolidate and came somewhere here and take support, then you can expect your upside momentum will be the going on. Price action, you can see the price action, after that only you can get it. I will update also in Telegram channel, you can join there too guys. I will surely update you. If I do not update it, you can ask me in the comments, so I will update the charts also weekly. Okay guys, here also you can see that what happened, it's broken, test. Okay guys, after testing this, it came downside, then you can easily go for these all target what we have discussed. Okay guys, here also what happened in the Ethereum also I will show you. It is also in a down phase only. You can see here guys, continuously here consolidation happened, here only the downtrend has been started, cross and downtrend. This is the downtrend. Here is the one of the trend line, broken, goes upside momentum. But what happened here, consolidation happened 4 days, after that consolidation, broken downside. Consolidating here, you can see that consolidation, broken downside. So this is the thing. Right now it is in a downside phase only guys. If some shifting will be happen and uses upside momentum, so I will surely update you in the Telegram channel or make you a dedicated video on this also. Hope you like this video guys, and I'm specially made this video for crypto analysis only, who wanted to invest in crypto guys. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video guys, please like this video, and that will motivate me and gives you the better and best my what I wanted to tell you. If you have any queries, please comment me down, so I let me know that something you have queries, so I will solve those things all what your queries will be there. So hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys.